Hello everyone!
Hello!
Today we are going to play Despicable Me Uno! Despicable Me Uno slightly differs from classic Uno, but the main rules are the same. The number of players may vary from 2 to 10. According to the rules, Uno is for ages 7 and up, but my daughter started playing Uno when she was 5. Despicable Me Uno contains 112 cards of 4 colors: blue, yellow, orange and green, numbered from 0 to 9. Besides, there are 6 types of action cards here. I'll explain their functions later. The object of the game is to get rid of all your cards in your hand and gain 500 points in the end. How to earn points, I'll also tell you later. Deal 7 cards to each player. Then, turn over the top card of the draw pile. This will be a discard pile. The person to the left of the dealer starts play. Your task is to match the card on the discard pile either by number or color. If you don't have a suitable card, pick a card from the draw pile and play it if possible. If it also doesn't match, play moves to the next person in turn. Don't forget to shout Uno when you have only one card left. If you didn't shout Uno, other players may catch you, and in this case you must draw 2 cards. Reverse card. When you play this card, the direction of play reverses. This card may only be played on a matching color or another reverse card. If this card is turned up at the beginning of play, the dealer goes first. Then play moves to the right instead of the left. For 2 players, reverse works like skip. Wild card. When you play this card, you get to choose the color that continues play. You may play a wild card on your turn, even if you have another playable card in your hand. If a wild card is turned up at the beginning of play, the person to the left of the dealer chooses the color that continues play. The Mutated Minion card. When you play this card, choose a color, and the next player in order must take cards from the draw pile until they draw a card of that color. This card is also a wild card, so you choose the color that continues play. If this card is turned up at the beginning of play, the person to the left of the dealer chooses the color that begins play. Skip card. When you play this card, the next player has to skip their turn. This card may only be played on a matching color or on another skip card. If a skip card is turned up at the beginning of play, the player to the left of the dealer loses his or her turn. Wild Draw 4 card. When you play this card, you get to choose the color that continues play. Plus, the next player must draw 4 cards from the draw pile and lose their turn. However, there is a hitch. You may only play this card when you do not have another card in your hand that matches the color on the discard pile. If turned up at the beginning of play, return this card to the deck and pick another card. Draw 2 cards. When you play this card, the next player must draw 2 cards and miss their turn. This card may only be played on a matching color or on another draw 2 card. If turned up at the beginning of play, the same rule applies. Here is a table with all cards' value. Our daughter loves to play Uno. Besides, the game teaches her addition. Also, Uno is easy to play on the road and it is relatively cheap. But my husband and I are a bit sick of it. We find it a little bit monotonous or even boring. In other words, Uno is okay to play only once in a while. And I gave it 7 out of 10.